This presentation is about FinanzOnline, designed by Christian Stefan and Günther Johann. The target of FinanzOnline. There are two major ones. One is for the citizens and one is for the businesses. For the citizens is employee assessment, query for the current tax act and the tax account, request to amend the basic data, emailing to the data box. For businesses, the VAT return, the income tax return, the sales tax return, corporate tax return, query to current tax act and tax account, and mail into the data box. The registration. Access code. After receipt of the identification code via post, you can enter the website. Therefore, you get the RSA paper per post, where you have these three codes inside. One is the start PIN and the identification and the user account, which actually need then to enter to the online page. After you log in into the first time, you have to change the PIN. The system shows a hint how you should create the password. As you can see on the picture, you have the given password from the paper what you got, and then you have to do it twice, the new one what you want to have in. The second way to log on to the homepage FinanzOnline is via a citizen card. For this you need a card reader and the software, and the citizen card, which is actually allows you to do this. On this slide I want to show you how to access the FinanzOnline page via the citizen card. So as a first part of it, you need to push the button chip card to enter to the home page. Then you have to give in the first PIN and acknowledge this one. The third step then is the additional PIN what you have to give in, that it is trusted that is you. And when everything is correct, you will see yourself shown up, your name on the page. Employee assessment. In this slide I want to show you how to use the employee assessment and how it works. When you logged in to the home page and everything is proved that it is you who want to enter, you have the enter of data. When you push this button, you have declaration, and below this one you have then to fill in the year you want to do the declaration. So in our, it would be 2012, but we do it here with 2007. Then you push the next button, and there you have all the different parts what you actually need. When you access the employee assessment page, you can do following things: input data, verify data, and transmit data. Especially you have different categories what you have to pass through. So one would be here the personal data, which you can enter into, or you can take standard stuff or whatever. To get into these sheets, you have to push the button which is highlighted to change things. When then they are changed, you will see the green following data are vorhanden. Don't forget to save the updates you did on the tool. There is a button below which you have to push to, and then you will see windows popping up that the data are saved and they will get transferred to the finance department. The nice part on FinanzOnline is that when you have updated all the data, everything is saved, you can do a pre-computation, and in that case you know already by finishing the tool how much money you will get, or if you need to pay something. Transmit the data for checking by BMF. When you have done your declaration and you want to transmit the whole stuff to BMF, you have to tick on the terms and conditions and then transmit with the button the stuff to the BMF. You will get an acknowledgement that this one was forwarded to your local finance department. Acknowledgement of receipts. In FinanzOnline you have the possibility to have the whole correspondence via email or via post mail. If you have it by email, then you have a data box where you can see all the emails coming in and the correspondence will be kept on track. If you have it per mail, then you get it normally by post. Information from BMF about your tax return. It takes around 14 days. Either you receive it then per mail or per post. Finally, you either get money back from the BMF or you have to pay additional taxes. Help. Help on the use. There are several pages that can help you on the use of FinanzOnline and also what you can declare. For personal support, I would recommend Arbeiterkammer, where you as a member will get qualified help. Otherwise, there are a lot of documents what you can download also from FinanzOnline, what you can bring into FinanzOnline. Reference. This is ratgeber.bmf.government.at FinanzOnline e-learning. It's a brilliant tool to go through all the steps from FinanzOnline and also to see how to print out, how to use FinanzOnline and what you can do with it. So thank you very much for listening and watching this clip. Have a nice day. Bye.